Holy crap, y'all see this? Look a little closer. Let me go a little bit closer. Look at all them babies. Wow. It's going on and on and on and on and on and on and on. There's thousands upon thousands upon thousands of millions of them, honestly. It goes all the way up to my house. You want to see? Let me show you. Let me see those little followers. Ants. Where are they at? Look at them, all the ants. Wow. Look at them all. Sorry, it's not so clear. So many of them. So many babies. And they're going all the way up here. I'm gonna tell you where it's going to. This is going up my wall of my house. They're going up my wall. Look. And oh shit, can you see the light on a second? Let's see, block the light a little bit. Goes all the way up into my house. You see? Right there, y'all. Isn't that crazy? Just wanted to show y'all. We got some more going this way. Where's it at? There you go. All the way down the side of my place and back into my house. 2 different ways. Crazy.